Minister Shyamkumar makes surprise visit to markets of shop owners in Pona and Thangal markets remove leaders near their shops. Renowned Manipuri dramatist G.C. Tongbra's two popular plays relaunched in Manipuri script. And England defeat Morocco 16-2 in the third match of the 11th Manipur Polo Tour International Tournament 2017. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Kanguzam Shalira with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Mahut Minister Thongnaujam Shyamkumar today met shop owners in Pona and Thangal markets in Imphal, removed the litters around their shops and footpath. As promised to keep the Imphal city neat and clean, the minister today visited the Thangal and Pona markets this morning. He asked the shopkeepers who kept merchandise on footpath to remove them. The minister made a surprise visit to markets in Imphal as part of his cleanliness drive in the capital city. He said he will make similar visit to areas under the municipal corporation and other municipal councils. The minister warned that shopkeepers cannot keep their merchandise on the footpath as they create obstacles to pedestrians. He asked the shopkeepers and vendors not to pollute the rivers by throwing waste. He also said repeated violators will be penalized. Shyamkumar said legal action will be taken against those who make illegal construction and open shop without license. The minister also visited Mizor Khuld, Kasturi Bridge, Nagal Pant area, Ima Market and Mahazid Road.
Hojikti nongsu hangamrina koi ising ji karom da chen gani footpath se ujik lai riba loisan da pat khara adagi kanama illegal da mai dukan sabja akoi gi istia wang sakalum gumba yam thengna chu yam yam loina remove toroga system naina loina ba koina permanent loina koi footpath ta public na kamina wanda ba thamna khona gani dukan phama mayam singna mapan da post ji langthora ba dukan da post ji mamang thama ba adodi warning to na koi post ngam ahen pocket lo lo thokane ba impal municipal corporation gi aling matuna moi tek then gani barwana kwamna yo masing je namun to mo hali moina madam ne ba moi yo le chalu ke ko khau mayam lang thong ngane ba nan namun to le phule aduna ibal effect the doctor also ni kin phajan thambira kana masa masa ni kin thambi 10 min thambira gadi khoi gi do collection adagi lai ba imc gi na enjo mayam collection to bukan da phajan ning thina phajan happy khagadi problem ji ko face to roiba sila iba dukan mayam sina corporation oi pira bukan da imphal city clean city thamangam ne india da.
Two plays of the late renowned Manipuri dramatist G.C. Tongbra were relaunched in Manipuri script today. The two popular plays, Chengni Khuzai and Mani Mamo by G.C. Tongbra, who is also known as the father of Manipuri drama, were relaunched in Meitei Mayek script. The book, re-returned in Meitei Mayek script by Biswara Spotsangbond and published by the Society Theatre Manipur, were released at an event held at Rastralipi Primary School, Kaisamthong, Toplera. They are popular family dramas. Speaking at the book launch, Director of Language and Planning Implementation Department, Eld Mahabir said, even though Manipuri books written in Meitei Mayek have become part of the syllabus from class 1 to graduate level in the state, the number of books in Meitei Mayek script is very few. He observed that writers do not even recover their capital after publishing a book. Mahabir also said there are plans to rewrite books in Bengali script into Meitei Mayek script. He said if the plans become a success, textbooks will be available in time and also writers will be benefited.
Bengali make either label significant makes the whole of the Tarai Fadama Lakum some say that. Some might put another title of the individual or organizing or institution or letter. But the mother for the Akana, Sarkari, low in the department of the Leonina, concerned with the Mokta. Mokta, publishers in the Akona, I say, my program. They make a lot of this taxi away. Other technical level problems for GDP and desktop publishing and now they make a lot of some prototype of again.
Mriknayani, a ballet directed by Manipuri choreographer M.K. Hozaingamba, memorized the audience on the 4th day of Sangai Festival today. The exclusive show by Kala Samo of Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, which is a state partner for Sangai Festival 2017, was held at Maharaja Chandragiri Auditorium in Palace Compound. Artists performed beautiful dance movements and martial arts enthralling the audience. Mrignayani is based on Brindabal Tlan Burma's popular play Mrignayani, centering around the life of Raja Man Singh of Toma Rajya and his wife Maharani Mrignayani. Pandit Ranu Brandon composed the music. Volunteers of Rising Knowledge Club Kuyatong Polem Tlaikai caught a person who created fake accounts of girls on Facebook and WhatsApp. Speaking to media person at the club, Vice President of the club, NG Ganashyam, said the culprit is a 17-year-old boy and he created fake accounts of girls on the social media sites and sent obscene pictures from the accounts. Ganashyam said the boy also clarified on local dailies not to indulge in such activities after he was named by locals on September 29. He said once again it was discovered that the boy has been simultaneously using 5 fake accounts of girls and indulging in unwanted activities. Ganashyam said he will be handed over to his family members. He appealed to the parents to be cautious while buying expensive mobile phones for their children.
Kuyatong Polem Legaidagi, Jongtham Montu, Harib Angangsina, Nupi Masakaragi, fake account Hangaga, Facebook da, Amadi, WhatsApp da, Nupa Atopa Mayam Dagi, Paisalok Tomba, Aduga, Yengbada, Nuaitaba, Hoto Taramba, Mayamalere, Adon Harib Angangsina, season fake account, Salmi Bangang Nupi Masa, Anima de Koi Legaisi Oramba, Adangang Nisisu, no Pawat Saragniva, Isay Saksava. Angang oibanina makhoi si chatpa matam da mina makhoi bulan ubiba mayam ma yaw basidagi haiba angang se koina kokalaga mama mapada ajana matung manau tawdana ba haidana clubna sinajare.
An assessment program to differently able persons in Imphal West District was held at Wangoi High Secondary School today. District Social Welfare Officer and Chief Medical Officer Imphal West jointly organized the program. Speaking at the event, Wangoi MLA Oinam Lukoi lauded the schemes introduced by Chief Minister Nongthammam Biren for persons with disability. He mentioned that the monthly pension for the disabled under the scheme will help them. Chief Medical Officer CMO Imphal West Dr. H. Kula said the assessment program was organized to identify the person with hearing problems, vision problems, and locomotory disability to issue them with disability certificates. Doctors assess disabled persons from 13 constituencies in Imphal West District.
Scheme Mama, December first week the launch of the Maduda, Hiriba, Tongan Makalgi, the freely able wherever Singsi the guidelines, Samugi Makada, Piba, category Singsi Piba, Yadaba, Haba, Yamchatine Hena, Habukankapangam Dabra, Habuk Sugar Nomangam Dabra, Hybrid Musumbagi, guidelines, Samugi Makada, Kudum Java, Piga the Bani. And the city just launched open and none of the some person Karahana, maybe select or most of where have the 12 the Magi. And waste convenience or get about from since the Sutan to Anna. Wait, Chilakani have it hazards of a Sulay.
Moray Police Station conducted a community outreach program at Moray Police Guest House. SP Technopol Dr. S. Ibomcha and Assistant Commissioner ADC Moray S. Gaikompaut Ngaiti took part in the program, which was attended by community leaders of Moray, Meitei Council Moray, All Community Development Organization Moray, Hill Tribal Council Moray, Gorkha Samaj Samiti Moray, and Tamil Sangam Moray. They discussed ways to develop the area. Later, they visited the site near Indo-Myanmar Friendship Bridge, where cleanliness drive was conducted on November 22 and asked the people not to litter in the area. People appreciated the efforts of Additional Deputy Commissioner and Gozindro and Additional SP in charge Moray, T.H. Krishna Tombi, for conducting the cleanliness drive. People living around Itai Barrage have imposed ban on all kinds of works of NHPC Lautak. They have took the decision as NHPC failed to respond to people after they protested against the problems caused by Itai Barrage from 17th of this month against. The United National Liberation Front (UNLF) today celebrated the 53rd Foundation Day. The celebration was held at UNLF units and headquarters and battalions of MPA. World Diabetes Day was observed today on the theme Women and Diabetes, a Right to Healthy Future at Waikomani Girls College, Thobal, Okram. The event was jointly organized by District Health Society, Thobal, and National Program for Control and Prevention of Non-Communicable Disease, Thobal District Hospital. Medical Officer of Thobal District Hospital, Dr. H. Shura, spoke on the prevention and treatment of the disease. Free diabetes checkup was also conducted as part of the event. Manipur Postal Division organized the life insurance Mela at Swebam Laikai Community Hall in Imphal East today. Experts at the Mela spoke on benefits availed by postal life insurance. Sub-Divisional Inspector of Post Office Ukrult, MD Nasir Ahmed, said the fair was organized to raise awareness among the people about the various benefits offered by postal life insurance. He said people normally consider life insurance as being undertaken only by private sectors. He asserted that the postal life insurance under post office will provide many benefits to the people. Observing that the people in the state do not have the habit of saving money, Nasir Ahmed said even if a small amount of money is deposited under postal life insurance, it will ensure great security and returns in future.
अखोगी अवार्ड पर एडवर्टाइजमेंट की पब्लिसिटी की प्रमोशन की अवार्ड पर से अदुम लई मसीगी सीदी अखोगी अखोई लेवल दगी अखोने हेक लेप याद बोइन तौबा सर्कल लेवल ओइबनिना को सर्कल दगी हेलेबागा मदुदा लेबर लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेस मैम सिंग ह्यूमन रिसोर्स ते अखोगी फजना लई अदुगा अतोपा रिसोर्स का अखोई द अवार्ड पर लई हाई रिवर्स रिसोर्सिंग दुसो अखोइना मतम साना अखोई दुसो लई जराबा अखोगी लेरिबे ह्यूमन पोटेंशियल अखोगी लेरिबे रिसोर्स पुन्ना कोलैबोरेट तौरगा तौबा तारगदी गवर्नमेंट की ओरो प्राइवेट की ओरो लेरिबे व्हाटएवर एनी सेक्टर दा अखोइना लोइना कम्पीट तौबा ngangwani habse अखोई थाजम.
A 3-day refresher training program was held for hazardous professional drivers who transport chemicals and fuels. The training was jointly organized by Institute of Driver Training and Research Center and Indian Oil Corporation at Malom Oil Depot. Speakers at the program stressed that hazardous professional drivers need to strictly follow the driving rules. They said the drivers must inform the fire service for the police if they apprehend risk on the road.
Manipur li kya kana tawde mapang lam de factory mayam da chemical mayam sinari ko sai gi nakhoi na khangdra ga ko has ke mai basina hazar chemical ge ko mai number am lei ri mai physical property chemical property tak pa very ibidi aro report number do mai numbering am pi ri ba mana ada fire brigade maintain tawe sigi number sina kari haino se sulfur acid odora hydrochloric acid odora ammonia ra nitrogen la ji khange ba aduna gari da maning da no board namada adugi haskem number igedabani ko.
Kangleipak Student Association in a press release said KSA Imphal West District Council members under the supervision of KSA Head Office extended help for the inmates of Mongsangai Old Age Home in connection with its upcoming 12th Foundation Day. The student body also organized a simple lunch at the home. WhatsApp group towards tomorrow, Manipur organized a blood donation and awareness camp on the theme Donate Blood, Save Sangay in connection with Sangay Festival 2017 at Lamboy Konangkong today. The blood donation camp was organized in collaboration with Blood Bank and Transfusion Unit Jenims under the sponsorship of State Blood Cell National Health Mission Manipur.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯇꯧꯖꯕ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁꯟꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗꯗꯤ ꯅꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯆꯥꯆꯥ ꯏꯅꯥꯎꯆꯥ ꯁꯨꯝꯕꯪꯅ ꯐꯔꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯕꯨꯡ ꯏꯄꯥ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯏꯆꯤꯜ ꯏꯅꯥꯎ ꯑꯍꯜ ꯂꯃꯟ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯅ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯛꯄꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯨꯋꯥꯔꯁ ꯇꯨꯃꯣꯔꯣ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯅ ꯍꯔꯥꯎ ꯇꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯂꯧꯖꯕꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯃꯊꯪꯒꯤ ꯆꯍꯤ 2018ꯒꯤ ꯁꯉꯥꯏ ꯐꯦꯁꯇꯤꯚꯦꯜꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯩꯕꯨꯜ ꯂꯝꯖꯥꯎꯗ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯄꯗ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯔꯩꯆꯥ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯆꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯗ ꯗꯣꯅꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯁꯨ ꯏꯔꯩꯆꯥ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯕꯤꯌꯨ.
It's time for a small commercial break. 2 women vendors were allegedly assaulted at Khairamban Bazaar in 2 separate incidents. We bring you the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back to watching Primetime English News. 2 women vendors who had come to sell vegetables at Khairamban Bazaar were assaulted by 3 women in 2 separate incidents. The first incident happened on the 13th of this month, while the second occurred yesterday. The said incidents came to light when Nemko Baite from Mongnengjang village spoke to media at Kuki Inn today. She said Khairamban Bazaar has always been a place where people of the hills and valley both exist peacefully. She said on the 13th of this month, a woman who came to buy vegetable asked Nemnem Kipgant if she found a sum of money, but later insisted that she pick it up. The city police, however, settled the issue. However, a confrontation occurred when 2 women who came to buy beans from a woman identified as Akim alleged that they had lost rupees 10,000 and Akim had taken the said amount. Some 2 women, including a representative of the Ima Kaitel Association, asked Akim to bring out the money. After the altercation, another member of the association warned them that they will be prevented from selling vegetables in the market. Women vendors from Tiangampopi have launched a complaint with the city police.
Jingmi tammi nung sinasahaya ado hoina asumba aranba do wa khara haige hare sumoina sangat laga phuna ngai khak dang dum ho na ado phuba mi su kaya yaw khre icha inaw thak nangai sida lampok sida bazar sida po zon balak zabane bazar haiba sidi mipum khoding mo gi po zon ning ba zon baza e infan bazar da na hoi jingmi na khawna po zon baza te haiba si group le ready puthok bi moina kari hai sarwa se chaw na chaw dangang raga communal thok nangai ba kaya so hai tho sikumba si thok din nangai achaw sang sing na sikumba si kharat sumaran si khara yengsin bi raga akhoi su isinaw meitei singa phajana phom nangai nungsi chana na phom raga moina akhoi dakana ba akhoi na mahoi dakana ba phangba se aina pame.
One-day labor awareness program was organized by Oinam Kendra Labor Union under the aegis of Manipur Building and other construction welfare board in Oinam today, coinciding with the inauguration of 5 training centers in different areas of the constituency. Speaking at the event, Oinam MLA El Radakishore said the training centers were open to provide self-employment to educated unemployed persons. Acting on a tip of the combined team of 42 Assam Rifles and Commando Bishnupur unit led by Major Provost of 42 Assam Rifles and Head Commandant of Commando Bishnupur unit, M. Inautumbi conducted search operation at Kairampabi area and arrested a cadre of UNLF at around 8:30 this morning. The cadre is identified as Kumukcham Tomtin Meitei, alias Nganthoiba, alias Arepa, 22 years, son of late K.H. Iboton Meitei from Tuangu Terakong. He was traveling in an auto rickshaw coming from Kumbi towards Kairampabi. A Chinese hand grenade was seized from him. He joined the UNLF in 2016 and he has been handed over to Kabul police station for further interrogation. Imphal West Police Commando arrested a suspected overground worker of the RPF PLA from his house at Uripok Sarbontingent on November 23. He is identified as Mayeng Bomd Gunaka, 54 years, son of late M. Navakumar. DPRO Police Department in a press release said during interrogation, he revealed that he collected Rs 5 lakh as party fund from a CI contractor on the 22nd of this month and handed over the money to Soibam Jugesor, 59 years, son of late S. Borbihari from Nagampal, Phogay Shangbom, Lekai. Police also nabbed Soibam Jugesor and recovered Rs 5 lakh from his possession. Manipur Palliative Care Society in the press release said a two-day national-level conference on palliative care will be held on November 25 and 26 at Ima House, Lamphel. Directorate of Minorities and Other Backward Classes has invited applicants for eligible candidates of economically backward classes in general category post-matric scholarship 2017-18. The Directorate in a press release said application forms can be downloaded from the website www.mobcmanipur.gov.in and the last date of submission of form is December 29th. The International Film Festival of India IFFI has nominated 9 movies for this year's International Council for Film, Television and Audiovisual Communication ICFT UNESCO Gandhi Medal. Out of the 9 films, 5 are from India. The Indian films competing for the prestigious ICFT UNESCO Gandhi Medal are Kistis, A Horizon, Manu Sangada, Purna, Railway Children and Take Out. The foreign films in the fray are Amok from Poland, Kibula, a co-production of Germany, France and Georgia, The Last Painting from Taiwan and Women of the Weeping River, a joint production of the US and UK. All 9 films are being screened at the ongoing IFFI in Panaji, Goa. The ICFT UNESCO Gandhi Award will be given to a film that best reflects Mahatma Gandhi's ideals of peace, tolerance and non-violence. The award will be announced at the closing ceremony of the IFFI on Tuesday. Patriotic Writers Forum Manipur held one-day seminar on freedom for literature at Manipur Press Club today. Several papers were presented on the patriotic theme in the place of Arambam Samarendra, Chanalukhoy and Manaubi MM, in the short stories of Kaisam Priyo Kumar and in the poetries of Birendra Zitnaurem. Director of Trade, Commerce and Industries in a press release said the last date of online submission of Prime Minister's Employment Generation Program PMEGP for the year 2017-18 has been extended to November 25 due to erratic internet service and connectivity in Chandel, Senapati, Technopole and Ukhrul district. England dropped Morocco 16-2 in the third match of the 11th Manipur Polo International 2017 at Imphal Polo Ground today. In a Pool A League match, Imphal England Polo team trounced Morocco Polo team 16-2. For the winners, Bent Ali scored 5 goals, George Shelton 3, Robin Omerit scored 1 goal. Philip Daroxt and Bedi Kabir scored 1 goal each for Morocco Polo team. India B defeated and India A 13-2 in an exhibition match. MLAs L. Radhakishore, P. Sarachandra and Dr. Yumnam Radhishyam and polo lovers of the state witnessed the match.
Manipur polo was once used as a military carrier and in transportation is now in very critical condition. It is a painful sight to see the Manipur polo lose on the street due to the diminishing rising ground. The survival of Manipur polo is necessary for all the survival of Manipur polo. I urge all citizens to have in consideration the fight of Manipur, the Manipuri polo.
The full rehearsal of the boat race being held as part of the Sangai Festival was held today at Salam Lake in Tlamlai. The boat race will be held on 26th of this month at 2 p.m. Chennai FC bounced back from a losing start in the Indian Super League Season 4 as they beat Northeast United FC 3-0 at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in Chennai yesterday night. It was the first win for Chennai at home over NEUFC in the ISL and only their second victory over their Northeast rivals. For the winners, Abdul Nedioda, Rafael Augusto and Mohammad Rafi scored 1 each goal. Mumbai City and Goa will meet in a league match at Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in Fatorda, Goa tonight at 8. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Minister Shyam Kumar makes surprise visit to markets. Shop owners in Pauna and Thangal markets removed delinquents near their shops. Renowned Manipur dramatist G.C. Tongbra's two popular plays relaunched in Manipur street. And England defeat Morocco 16-2 in the third match of 11th Manipur Polo International 2017.